Entrepreneurial and Apprentice of the Year, Tom Jones. Welsh butcher Tom Jones has added entrepreneurial flair to his list of accolades as he seeks to expand his thriving business in Llangollen. Having been given the task of running Jones Butchers in Llangollen 3 years ago, he set about gaining business knowledge and qualifications to give the shop a solid foundation. He achieved a foundation apprenticeship in meat and poultry industry skills, is working towards an apprenticeship and aims to progress to a higher apprenticeship as he now employs 4 apprentices. Daily takings have doubled and profits on product lines have increased by more than 30%, resulting in the need for larger premises. Neil Meredith. Completing an apprenticeship in engineering manufacture has, in Neil Meredith's own words, changed his life. The 28-year-old from Abercynon thrives on new challenges, and that's how he came to work for Complete Core Business Solutions, a warehousing and distribution company. Securing a position as maintenance engineer with the company, Neil completed his apprenticeship delivered by VSP TSW Training and was promoted to engineering manager last December. He worked closely with engineers supplying a new £750,000 production line before overseeing its installation, in addition to producing a training manual for colleagues. James Parry. Recently seconded to a project management support role with BT Openreach, James Parry from Rhondda Cynon Taf mentors apprentices and has become an ambassador for apprenticeships within the organisation. Having achieved 11 GCSEs, 4 A-levels and 1 AS level, he opted for an ICT Telecoms professional apprenticeship with BT, which he completed 10 months ahead of schedule with Acorn Learning Solutions. Now undertaking a part-time degree in business management, 20-year-old James aspires to join the Openreach Succession Academy as a future leader. Sophie Kittens. 2014 has turned out to be a memorable year for Sophie Kittens, a 20-year-old farmer's daughter from mid-Wales. Having achieved 10 GCSEs at Welshpool High School, Sophie went on to complete a foundation apprenticeship in agriculture delivered by Neath Talbot Group Newtown campus, before progressing to an apprenticeship while working on her family's sheep and beef farm. As well as being shortlisted for this award, she's also been named Royal Welsh Agricultural Society Student of the Year. Next up is a foundation degree in rural business to prepare her for a farm management role.